Okay, so we're back. I'm going to use Sephora's Best Skin Ever, and it may seem like I'm using a lot. I probably am. And the nice thing about this product is that, sorry, I think I'm waking up with a cold or something. My voice just will not stop cracking. Oh my god, you know what I wish I had? Vicks Vapor Rub. Like, but not Vicks. Wait, what? You know, those things you suck on and then your sore throat's gone. What if I have COVID? I am one of these lucky people that have not had COVID throughout this whole thing. And if I get it now, I'm gonna be pretty darn pissed off. Did anyone else watch the American Horror Stories? It actually wasn't that bad. I was a little confused in the middle how they just kind of decided to say the storyline, but it all came back around in the end, as it always does. But at first I was pissed. I'm like, I'm not watching the rest of this. Like, I got invested in these characters, and for what? They're all gone now. So I guess I'm gonna have to keep clicking that. Okay, so you see how this is I wish I could put you right there where the starlight is. You see what I mean? So there's the difference in that. I'm gonna try to push my mirror to the side. There we go. So it doesn't actually look like that much. It's just the shininess to it and the tint to it. It's brilliant. And I did try the 10-hour wear one, and it's just not for me. And I'm gonna wait to put my nose piercing back in until I get all of this done. If you're gonna buy a mini size of the Bare Minerals, if I were you, I would just go ahead and load up on 2 or buy a full size, because this is not enough for a small child. And Mama got a big face. Speaking of other YouTubers, congratulations, Shane and Rylan Adams. I already made a video about it. I feel like I manifested it because I'm like, I want to be the first one. I want to be the first one to congratulate them whenever it does happen. And now it's happening, and I'm so excited. And Riley as a puppy name is cute, but I also think it would have been such a cute name for their kid. But I feel like that leans too much on, like, Ryland. You know what I mean? So I feel like maybe the next baby name will be a little more equal. Of course, who am I to say what's to name a baby? I let my husband name mine, and he named it after a Beatles song. He named my daughter Penny Lane. I mean, at least he put Penelope. Like, but it was also kind of cool because my best friend is named Penny, well, Jennifer. And so for us, it was like, once he said, oh, we could call her Penny, I was sold. I was like, yep, friends since 4th grade. Sold. And the only reason I'm going over with this translucent powder is to kind of kick in the Bare Minerals powder. Yeah. So you guys gotta see it from the point of view of... Whoop. See what I mean? Alright, so now what I would usually do is my eyebrows. I don't know that I am comfortable enough to do eyelashes and all of that on camera, so I will be right back. Okay, so I got my eyelashes on, but I did not do my eyes yet. My go-to used to be this bad boy right here, but it's kind of empty. So I got this stuff a long time ago, and it's from Tyga. I guess that's how you pronounce it, T-I-G-I. And it's all for dark-skinned women. I might actually give away the foundation because, like I said, it's dark. I figured purple eyebrows today might be a little much. I'm pretty sure my daughter's parent-teacher meeting thing is at some point today, and yeah, rather look like a human. Although I will be picking her up and dropping her off sometimes, and I'm not gonna look human. Like 9 to 2, can just catch her till 3, so I can get a good old nap in. Because by the time I get everything done that I need to get done around the house, there ain't no nap time. And if they try to tell me they're gonna make her take a nap there, I'm gonna be like, praise the Lord Jesus. Oh, also, can someone please tell me how the fuck this works? It's Lash Craft Have It All Multi-Action by Sephora. And oh, I thought I had that fixed. Anyway, even on regular eyeballs, it doesn't work. I was just trying to fix a little flyway right there. So let's see what we got going on. And I think I'm just gonna do a simple little pinky look, and then I'll be right back. I feel like my eyeball's falling off. I don't know what to do. They're probably just pissed off. Because I didn't let them dry. Or pinch them together. Okay, it's good enough. Let's add the... Why does it have to go make? I can't even sing. I can't get my voice together. And I mean, I have the healthiest drink for your boy right next to me. And that would be the Mount, the Dew. Anyway, lipstick done. And if you are wondering, yes, I did buy a Kylie lip kit. Yes, I think they're worth it. You can't really see. Okay, there we go. It looks really weird in this. It looks like there's like something on my eye, but when I look in there, weird. And just so you know, just because you get a matte lipstick at like the reduced bin of like your cosmetic store, it doesn't make you any less of a person. So is this a makeup tutorial, or is this more of like me being silly and you guys being like, okay, well, apparently we signed up for this. And then unclick real fast. No, I promise I will get back to the stories about my recovery. I just, once my voice cracked this morning, I was like, I'm gonna run with this. Wow, a lot came out on that one. Holy shite. Like, if you look at the other side and then you look at that side, you're like... Okay. And we're just gonna go ahead and take this little buddy here. Nothing's happening, but the most important thing, blending your eyeshadows so you don't look fucking stupid. I feel like I want to meet Bad Nana or whatever her name is on Instagram because I feel like we could have a chill time. Oh my god, and another makeup, just real quick. Charlotte Tilbury, what happened to you? Anyway, it's like the best. Like when you don't want to go too dark. Oh, and then a little makeup trend for all you girly girls out there. I have 1-ply. You can use 2-ply. But then you need to tear it into 1-ply. And I just kiss it. I don't actually like follow with powder or anything, but it seems to work just fine for my ass, so. Alright, well, that's about enough of that. It is, I think 5 or 6. 6:25, which means I have 30 minutes to play Animal Crossing after I upload this, which means I'll probably have 0 minutes. Love you. Thank you for watching whatever the fuck this is. And bye. And I didn't steal that from Shane. I'm just saying I really don't know what the fuck this is. Okay, love you. Bye.